My little Fuelie, a fantastic C1 Corvette. This video is an announcement for my upcoming video and a Barrett-Jackson auction of this car. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And please subscribe down below. I would really appreciate that very much. Now, this video is nothing more than a quick announcement about a 1958 Corvette that I was lucky enough to see recently, and of which I have a video coming out soon. Here is the thumbnail for which you will be looking for on this car. Here's a thumbnail to my video that ought to be coming out prior to July 1st. And one of my favorite little video clips that will be inside my video. Now, this car is very substantial. It will be getting sold, we think, should be getting sold at Barrett-Jackson. The due date for this sale is July 2nd, approximately 4 p.m. So Barrett-Jackson, July 2nd, 4 p.m., maybe a little bit later than that, but that's when the car is going on the auction block. Now, it just came back from Mecum, where an offer of $450,000 was made. And so now they're looking to take it to Barrett-Jackson, see if they can't do better than that. Now, this car is claimed to be the #1 example of a C1 Corvette, and I really think you would like this. So what I want to do is, first off, show you the website for My Little Fuelie, and it is mylittlefuelie.com. So here's that. Here is the mylittlefuelie.com webpage where I index through some of the photographs. Then I go to the build, and this shows some of the build pictures along with the original artwork, the chassis, and then I scroll next down to the LS7 and the transmission that was used for this car, as well as they list the goodies. Also goes over the build. Lots of photographs showing various phases and work done on this fantastic car. So these are really good pictures and gives you a good idea of all the attention and detail that have gone into this 1958 Corvette. And there's also a quick little bio on Keith Hickman himself. Okay, now second up, I want to show you just the quick little web page off of Barrett-Jackson for the car, so you can see what the lot number is and all that kind of good jazz. So here's that. This car should be on the auction block July 2nd, somewhere around 4 p.m. So here's the lot number 748, and has the description and everything in here for you to be looking for. All right, so that's all I want to do with this video. It's just a quick announcement and just want to perk you up so you can be ready actually to view this car on the auction block, Barrett-Jackson, July 2nd, 4 p.m. or a little bit after, we think. And so be on the lookout for this. I think you'll really like it, and I think you'll really like my video on my experience in seeing this car myself. And I might actually have a second video. So anyway, with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.